If you're seeing the Slack API error invalid_blocks, don't worry. This usually means something in your message block format is breaking Slack's validation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step in the workflow builder so you can get your Slack message working again without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Workflow Builder and edit the workflow that's giving you the error. Once you're inside the workflow, go to the Send a Message step. This is the part where the message content is usually being generated, and it's also the most common place where formatting issues can trigger invalid_blocks. Now look closely at the message content. The next step is to clear out any formatting that could be causing the problem. Remove emojis, links, special characters, and anything that might be turning the message into an invalid block structure. Slack can be very strict about formatting, so even something that looks harmless can cause the message to fail. After that, enter simple plain text only. For example, try a basic message like hello. This helps you confirm whether the issue is caused by the content itself or by the way the message was formatted. If the simple text works, then you know the problem was the original formatting and not the workflow as a whole. Next, make sure there is no hidden formatting in the field. A great trick is to copy the text, paste it into Notepad or another plain text editor, and then paste it back into Slack Workflow Builder. This removes invisible formatting, extra code, and any weird characters that may not be obvious at first glance. This step is especially useful if you copied content from another app, document, or web page. Also, check that the message field is not empty. A blank message can sometimes create unexpected validation issues, so make sure there is at least one visible line of plain text in the message step. Once everything looks clean, save your changes and publish the workflow again. After publishing, test the workflow one more time to see if the error is gone. In many cases, these simple cleanup steps are enough to fix the invalid_blocks error right away. If it still doesn't work, go back and simplify the message even further until the workflow accepts it. The key is to keep the Slack message block as clean and plain as possible while you troubleshoot. And that's it. You've now fixed the Slack API error invalid_blocks by cleaning up the message formatting, checking for hidden characters, and republishing the workflow. If this tutorial helped, please like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.